It's a cool afternoon on December 18th, 2021, and we're at Cumberland, Maryland on the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad. Today, we are watching Western Maryland 1309 make a Polar Express run over the tourist line. The 1309 was built as Chesapeake and Ohio 1309 and was previously on display at the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Museum. The Western Maryland Scenic purchased the locomotive and has returned it to service. December of 2021 was its first time back in service since 1956. As we watch 1309 depart Cumberland, we get a view of downtown Cumberland as well as the Western Maryland valleys and mountains. At the famous Helmsetter's Curve, we get a dramatic shot of the train arriving and making their stop at the North Pole. For the 3:30 departure, we would get a different shot, opting for an overhead view at a bridge. We would also get a shot of the old Telltales, which were west of our location. On the rear of the train, the pair of diesels would best be described as an odd couple. Facing the consist was a Western Maryland painted GP30, and leading the train eastbound was a former Amtrak F40PH which had been rebuilt as an F40PH M-2. It is painted in a strange light blue and red paint scheme. For the 5:30 p.m. departure, we returned to the Cumberland depot, where we would take in the train before watching them roll west. After warming up their cylinders, the 1309 was ready to go and would highball into the night with their train lit up full of Christmas lights. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday season. If you enjoyed this video or enjoy tourist Christmas trains, Please do not forget to subscribe for future Railfan videos. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.